Today I'm going to show you how to make a folded and stapled book. So you will need pages to go on your inside. We should probably have about 4 or 5 pages at the most. If you do too many, it'll be hard to staple. Get them together. You can tap them down like this on the table. If you need help with this, ask Mrs. Hayes. And we will then fold them in half, hamburger style. When we fold things in half, we want to line up the corners and edges, hold it with one hand, and then fold across with the other hand. And I'm going to go back and forth a couple times with my finger to make sure that's a really good fold. Set that aside, and then choose a color for your cover. Your cover should be either the same size or a little bigger than your pages. And again, we're going to fold that in half, line it up, crease back and forth. Crease is another word for fold. We want to check and make sure that the two folded edges go together. So see how these are both the folded edges? That goes inside like this. We're going to tap it down. Again, you can ask Mrs. Hayes to help you. We want to make sure when we staple that the pages on the inside are right along the edge for the cover. And we're going to leave the stapler on the table, and we're going to slide it in just a little bit and push down. And you can do 2 or 3 staples. Keep your staples as close to the edge as you can. Again, ask Mrs. Hayes for help if you want help. And then when you open it up, your pages should be able to go like this and open. If it doesn't, that's okay, no big deal. Ask Mrs. Hayes and we can take the staples out and we can re-staple it. Make sure you put your name somewhere on your book. You can draw a design on your cover, and then you can start adding things on the pages.